Hi and welcome to this short video celebrating the 60th anniversary which happened this week of the first person to ever go into space, Yuri Gagarin. And then next week we'll be doing a release of a bit of a video about the grandeur of the universe. But that will be released next week and that will be in both Welsh and English. But before we get on to this little bit on Yuri Gagarin, roll the intro. Yuri Alexeyevich Gagarin was born on March the 9th, 1934, near Zyansk in Russia, a town which has since been renamed Gagarin in his honour. Gagarin lived until March 27th, 1968, and will forever be remembered for his history-making feat in 1961, when he became the first human being to blast off into space. Gagarin was the son of a carpenter and aimed to work in a manual field, much like his father, training as a moulder in a school near Moscow. Continuing his studies at the Industrial College at Saratov, Gagarin also took flying lessons, a decision which led to him joining the Soviet Air Force Cadet School in Orenburg. Shortly after Gagarin's graduation from the Air Force Cadet School in 1957, the Soviet Union launched the first artificial Earth satellite into orbit, Sputnik 1, which orbited Earth for nearly 3 months before falling back. Following the success of the Sputnik missions, work began on the design of an orbital spacecraft that would be used for two purposes. One was to conduct photo reconnaissance missions and then return the exposed film to Earth. The other was to serve as a vehicle for the first human spaceflight missions. The resulting craft was Vostok 1. Vostok 1 weighed nearly 5 tons and was launched at 9 AM Moscow time on April the 12th, 1961. It orbited Earth once in 1.5 hours at a maximum altitude of 187 miles and landed at 11 AM in the Soviet Union. This spaceflight brought Gagarin immediate worldwide fame. He was awarded the Order of Lenin and given the titles of Hero of the Soviet Union and Pilot Cosmonaut of the Soviet Union. This, a little over 60 years ago, was the beginning of human space exploration. Contrastingly, we now live in a world where for the last 30 years there have only been brief periods where we have not had humans in space. And this accomplishment started with one man, Yuri Alexeyevich Gagarin. And that does sadly bring us to the end. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure to join us next week for another video on space and the universe. But aside from that, thank you very much once again for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And carry on learning. Bye.